Here at BRPT Lake, we know it's Mardi Gras season, and a lot of our patients are going to be riding in the parades. Now, a common type of injury we see is shoulder injuries from patients improperly throwing objects from the floats. So, we wanted to give you 3 quick tips to help you remedy the situation and hopefully avoid injury this Mardi Gras season. Now, a couple of quick exercises to properly warm up your shoulder before you do any throwing are a posterior capsule stretch, where you pull your arm across your body, feeling a stretch in the back of your shoulder. A quick 10-second hold 5 times is good to loosen the muscles. Another good exercise is a scapular retraction, where we're going to warm up the muscles between your shoulder blades by squeezing your shoulder blades together, hold for 2 or 3 seconds, and do about 10 of those. Lastly, we want to warm up the rotator cuff muscles themselves. A good way to do this is some quick shoulder rolls. You can hold your arms out to the side, roll forward 10 times, and roll backward 10 times. These exercises should help you adequately warm up your shoulders and get ready to chuck those throws from the floats. The most common phase of the throwing motion for injuries to occur is in the late cocking phase, when you bring your hand all the way back. Here's an example of what not to do. To help avoid this injury, you can do a few things. One is, don't try to reach quite so far back and put all that gusto on the throw. Another is to ensure that you use your whole body. Widen your stance, take a step, and turn your shoulders as you throw. A third important factor in preventing shoulder injuries is object selection. Remember, the lighter objects aren't going to go quite as far. So, if you're trying to reach someone in the back of the crowd, you want to select a slightly heavier or denser object, like maybe a folded t-shirt or even a bag of beads.